Hello everyone, let's see, today we are going to be talking about building a story. No, I am not going to tell you fairy tales in this video. We're going to be talking about what story you can get from just looking from the chart. What is the chart trying to tell you? Okay, now in this example you see that well, let's say we can map out the price action that we see right now in this manner. If you look closely, we are kind of approaching an interesting area, right? Now, probably what we want to be looking for or waiting for is a breakout, going either up or down. Now here, the identification of the resistant areas are not too bad, but the thing is that there is actually a larger story behind it. And here's the thing, by not understanding the larger story, we lose key information that can keep us out of a possible bad trade, and this is shown by the failed breakout that you see right over here. You know, this is a common way people kind of how should I say, misuse the support and resistance areas, and you know, they get fake out of a move. Notice how much the story now changes after we've added in another trend line here. Now if you look at this trend line, it pretty much does a better job in trying to capture the market movement. You see all the points that price is respecting on this trend line. Now I'm not saying that, you know, I'm going to ignore the previous horizontal resistance line, but when we step back and look at the bigger picture, this can save us from thinking that we are breaking out of this consolidation area as shown by the failed breakout that we've talked about earlier. Now, the rising trend line here shows us that the market is kind of losing when it makes new highs, and the truth is that this is where a lot of people can get tricked into buying this breakout. Now, this is another view of the chart where I kind of zoom out a bit so that it's easier to see what we're going to do. Now, if we were to add up all the pieces in, then you know, we can best have or we can best formulate a game plan for different type of scenarios that might unfold. Okay, now if you see right now, the price is kind of squeezing, funneling up in this triangle pattern. Now, it does not mean that we are sure to break these lines, but well, you know, these upper and lower trend lines, they give us the real boundaries of what is containing price. If you see the lines, price have respected them frequently. You know, for instance, any buys need to be significant moves out of this rising trend line. You can look for a price action pattern, or maybe you can wait for a pullback to the trend line after the breakout to look for entry opportunities if you were to go for long. Now, another great area to watch is right over here, where we can look for a potential short opportunities if price breaks out of this trend line. Another area to watch for will be a possible double top right over here. Okay. So as you can see, there's a lot of possibilities here that we can look for, especially if you are a support and resistance type of trader. The key here is to wait patiently for a nice juicy setup to appear instead of jumping the gun. Okay. What is all I have to say on this subject. I hope you've got something useful out of this video, and if you like what you've seen, go ahead and hit on the like button below or share this video with your friends who may find the content in this video useful, or simply hop over to letprofitsrun.com for even more good stuff. Well, that's it for now, and I will see you in the next video.